Hi. My name is Ingrid Alliance, chef and owner of Pinch of My Cuisine. Pinch of My Cuisine is a private chef in Orlando and some home classic Asian product. What I wanted to talk to you about today, simple. Um, I was cleaning some smoke airing earlier and something came across my mind, so I had to share it with you. I'm always looking for answers, always questioning myself, always want to know more, and always want to discover what's new. So, we're going to talk about Asian cuisine. Have you tried Asian cuisine? Have you had Asian cuisine before? You should. If you've never had it, it's a must. You need to try that. All right, we have a few dishes, awesome dishes. From griot, which is fried pork, tasso cabrit, which is the goat. After cleaning it, marinate it in some épices. We braise it, then slightly fry it with some banan peze they call tostones in Spanish cuisine, and then fried plantain in English. And then we have the bomb, which is pickles, Asian spicy pickling coleslaw. Oh my God. It has all the flavor, the umami flavor, okay? From sweet to sour to earthy. Oh my God, you name it, all right? So, so from the grill, if you Google, they're gonna tell you about grill. It's like a storyteller. Um, that's what they say. So yes, storyteller, but it's our it's part of our national dish in Haiti. Whenever there's celebration, you're gonna have griot, and you're gonna have the mystery black rice, which is rice and jonjon. Oh my God, this mushroom, you can only find it in Haiti, and it's still there. It's a question mark. All right. So where is that jonjon come from? Have you ever asked yourself where is the griot from? Have you ever asked yourself where is tasso from? So this video, I chose to make it in English. Why? Because I want more people to discover and know about Asian cuisine. And there are some dishes which are classic dishes. They are they it's like they're gonna disappear in our cuisine, and I'm fighting for that, for those dishes not to disappear in our cuisine, because they are bomb. And then our old grandparents used to cook them, natural stuff, local product. They add their flavor, their pinch to it, which is I am here in Orlando to bring, and I don't want this to die in our cuisine. Chef Ingrid Alliance has more answers for you when it comes to Asian cuisine, and you're gonna know it soon. You're gonna discover it soon. Yes, there's a lot to learn about Asian cuisine, man. Remember one thing. So, before 1804, which was the slavery time, there's a variety of there was a variety of people coming across Haiti. Because remember, there was trading back then. There was trading, and then Haiti was known for sugarcane. Haiti was known for good coffee. So there was a trade that was going on, and all nations they came across, and Haiti was like the bridge. Okay, so all these people whenever they pass by, so all these people, whenever they pass by, they left something behind. Like I was talking to a friend the other day, she's from Cape Haitian. She was telling me how they cook. Like from cities to cities, the recipes are different. And then from tradition in family's recipe, we also have a story. We also have a story. And then from and then even I know we have kibe in Haiti. It's a Middle Eastern recipe. So there's a lot of question to answer. There's a lot of story to tell. And stay tuned with Chef Ingrid Alliance, Bench of My Cuisine. You're gonna learn a lot. All right. It was a pleasure.